Well, Louis, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
Your first Under-19 Euro call-up. Can you just describe what the past few days have been like?
Oh, it's been brilliant news. Me and my family have been itching for the news for the Euro squad. When I got the call, it was brilliant news, and I was just so proud, like my family was as well.
Yeah, it's been quite a successful few weeks. You've been involved in the training camps. You scored your first Under-19s goal against Sweden earlier this month. Just what was that feeling like?
Oh, it was brilliant because as a young lad, you go to these camps and you try and impress. So as a striker, the only way to impress really is to get on the score sheet, and just to score was a great feeling, and I was just over the moon. My family were proud as well, especially because they were out there watching.
It's been an incredible rise for yourself, obviously currently with Manchester United, but if I can talk you back to the start of your career, you obviously played with Corwin. What was that like? Obviously a club based in Wrexham where the finals are going to be this summer.
Oh, it was great. I played there with my older brother, and yeah, Skinny took us in when we were really young from local, and yeah, it was a brilliant setup there, and he does the utmost to make sure you develop as you're a young age, and yeah, it's just literally brilliant place to be, and I love my football there. It's brilliant.
You mentioned your coaching there. You were obviously coached by Harry Wilson's uncle as well. How special was that at the time?
Oh, he was brilliant because he always used to he called me a nickname Coco, and he's just a brilliant fella, and he was someone to look up to when I was younger, definitely, because I seen him doing well for Wales. So yeah, hopefully I can follow in his footsteps.
Yeah, you touched on Harry there. He's obviously gone on to do some incredible things, and for you representing Wales now at this Euros, how much of a step up is it for you, and how much you're just looking forward to the tournament in general?
Oh, I'm buzzing for it really, especially because it's local and sort of on my doorstep with my family. Yeah, just be brilliant to represent, especially against these tough nations. It's a showcase for us players and for the country to just go out and perform.
It's the first time obviously Wales are going to be hosting the men's age group Euro finals. You mentioned being a local lad. I guess it's bittersweet and probably the perfect thing really.
Yeah, it was absolutely brilliant when obviously you see that you get automatic qualifications with hosting, and especially because it was in North Wales instead of South. It was just brilliant news, especially because the racecourse, there'll be a lot of fans, I'm sure, coming to the game to support us, and hopefully we can put on a show.
Just touching on the group ahead, then we got Spain, Germany and Denmark, obviously playing against some world elite sides there. For your own development, how good is it going to be playing against some of Europe's best?
Oh, brilliant, because the experiences all them players have, let alone, will pass on to us, because we'll be able to play and fight and ultimately compete against them, and hopefully win the games. Like, we believe ourselves we can do that. But yeah, I'm sure the development is the forefront of us, and I'm sure we will develop in this tournament.
The side, of course, is going to be led by Chris Gunther. We've obviously a Wales legend, played in two European Championships, one World Cup. Someone I guess you would have looked up to as well in your early days.
Yeah, definitely. From being a Wales fan when I was younger, it's a brilliant thing seeing Gunts actually being my manager. So especially with the experiences he can pass on to all us players, because I'm sure he's been in our footsteps before as 17, 18, 19-year-old lads. I'm sure we can learn and just take everything in from what he's telling us and what he's helping us learn with.
And finally, obviously, just a couple of days out now until that opening game against Spain. Just what would it mean now walking out in front of the racecourse and in front of not just the red wall but family and friends as well?
Oh, it'll be brilliant. It'll be just such a proud moment, especially at big occasions. That's what us players play for, really, and especially because it's in front of our fans and it's at home. It'll just be an extra add on top, and hopefully we can make all the fans proud.
Thanks, Louis, and all the best.
Thank you.